Introduce yourself, your role, your PSLE score, and which year it was.
My name is Randhir. I'm the Ops Director and Developer of the app. My PSLE score was 206. The year was 2001.
So we asked everyone to bring an item. What's yours?
Right here, this dusty textbook from my storeroom.
So why didn't you sell it?
Back then, there is no platform for it to sell. Today, the curriculum is already out of date, so I can't sell it.
Okay. So when you were in school, what did you go for tuition?
Yes, I did. I went for group-based tuition.
So what was your experience like?
Well, I would have to say I'm not the best student. I'm the kind of student that would like to question people why I learned this. So my experience was they asked me, I used to ask my teachers, what was Pythagoras theorem for? And none of them could answer it.
So did you ever find the answer?
Yes, I did. I found it when I was in poly, especially when I was doing a safety structure with a hypotenuse beam joint with forces on it. So you had to use the Pythagorean to calculate the exact length of the hypotenuse for the beam for its safety.
Okay. So let's bring it back to the app for a bit. Do you see any features that helps you with these real-world applications?
Yes, I in fact have two. One is the ask homework question. The other one is actually the form space. So let's start with the simpler one, the ask homework question. Technically, the inspiration behind ask homework question was Stack Overflow and GitHub. The real world application for this is when you have AI can be wrong today. The reason why is you want to find a solution that people have tried, based, and used that works in the real world. The second feature that I talk about is the forum. So when we talk about the forum, right, I think it along the line of when you game and you play meta, the strategy, the grand strategy of things when you play RTS game. So a very practical application that you can do inside the forum is you can actually write, how do I strategize for an exam? How do I talk about a bigger macro picture for a particular subject? And what can I do for a career move when I want to move up, up the line when I got the education tree? Another real world application practicality that you can do is when you are back at home and you clean your toilet, if you do not understand your organic chem, you have two kind of compounds. You have one which is an ammonia base, which is basically a base salt. The other one is you have an acid. Not many people know that when you're cleaning your toilet and you put the two things inside, right, you actually can create dangerous gases that can burn your trachea. So if you do have that broad-based organic chem understanding, which can be asked in the forum, you can understand how to be safe around all your cleaning supplies.
That is very interesting. Thank you for your time.
Sure, thank you very much.